Hey, it's Anissa and Zach, and we're so excited to bring to you the latest addition in our copper cookware line. It's the square copper skillet.
Now this is great for so many reasons. It has all the same awesome benefits that our other copper cookware has. It's got the non-stick surface, but what's great about this is its shape. The square shape allows you to fit so much more. We actually have a circular 9.5-inch pan here compared to the square 9.5-inch pan. And what's great about this is you can fit so much more. We have 4 slices of bread here, and as you can see, they all fit perfectly inside of here. You can essentially make 4 grilled cheese sandwiches at one with just this one pan.
But you can't do that in the circular one. Take a look. Trying to put the 4 pieces, they don't fit. It overlaps. You're not going to make good French toast, grilled cheese sandwiches doing it in a round pan. Let's show you the non-stick properties on this by frying an egg. Now we've pre-seasoned this, and that allows you to use little or no oil.
Now what's great about that is that you're not going to get all that excess fat in your food. And the best part is that it's not going to stick. It makes it so much easier to, say, flip an egg over with a spatula. The food is just going to slide around with ease.
Now this is a ceramic surface, which makes it very safe. It's not like Teflon that can release harmful chemicals into your food.
Yeah, and the other great thing about the non-stick properties is how easy this is to clean up. Even if you burn something on here, it makes it super simple to just wipe right off. Now to demonstrate the cooking, we've been using this induction cooktop. This pan is induction ready if you're using that kind of cooktop, but you can use this on anything. An open flame, a heating coil, and the great thing is that it's good for up to 500 degrees. So you can actually take this off the stovetop and put it right into your oven to finish off the food.
Now, the best part is our amazing low price. You're never going to find a pan of this quality at this low price. So head on over to Pulse TV and get yours today.